Dave Ramsey versus Robert Kiyosaki. I followed Dave Ramsey for years and I've read Robert Kiyosaki's books. And I have to say that these two financial gurus are on the other end of the spectrum. We have Dave Ramsey saying that debt is bad, and we have Robert Kiyosaki promoting good debt. Dave Ramsey makes his clients cut up their credit cards. And for those people who have uncontrollable spending habits, this advice is probably the best advice. Dave also tells his clients to pay off their debt first, except for mortgage, before they start investing. I personally use my credit card for everything. I use it to purchase food, vehicles, or anything that accepts credit. That way I can get rewards points. I just make sure that I pay off my monthly statement so that I don't get charged interest. By doing so, I was able to pay off my travel expenses to Europe using my points. So I would agree with Robert Kiyosaki that there is a way to use debt to our advantage. Debt that brings us positive return is considered good debt, and debt that takes money out of our pocket constantly and does not give us positive return is considered bad debt. What Dave and Robert have in common is that they tell their audience to live within their means. We all have to eat and enjoy the little things in life, but they both say to do it within a budget. And that's what I love about Dave Ramsey. He's great at motivating people to live within their means. And Robert Kiyosaki is great at motivating people to get financial education. But when it comes to investing styles, Dave Ramsey's advice robbed me of higher rate of return. I focused on paying off our mortgage instead of maximizing my cash flow. But I didn't know then what I know now. So Dave Ramsey's advice was probably the best advice for me at the time. So no regrets. I didn't lose any money. It just cost me opportunity cost. And Robert Kiyosaki's way of investing is just way too risky for me. He likes to invest in startup businesses, and I'm more comfortable investing in companies that have a history of growth and financial stability. Listening to Dave and Robert helped me to get to where I am today, so I'm grateful for both of them. My journey with them led me to meet more financial gurus like Warren Buffett, Charlie Munger, Howard Marks, and Peter Lynch. Their investing records are far more superior than Dave Ramsey's and Robert Kiyosaki's. I hope that you found this review helpful. Please tickle that like button on your way out. Thank you.